TRX, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, when the price was exactly within here, we mentioned if we get any reversal, any buy setup, we'll take the trade. There was opportunity to look for trade. There were as a short-term trade. This is what we get, but after that we see the price drop. All right, this is the reasons. If if we move to 15-minute chart, when we see this kind of the trade, after the price broke the top, then we see the reversal. Like this is where we should know that we should take with the trade. We shouldn't stay with the trade because we can see we had 1 2 3 as a first wave, and now we get the second wave. That means we are going to get the correction here. Okay, this is how when we see the price is not moving as a sharp move, you see the reversal flag. This is where you can confirm the price is going to drop. Okay, because as we can see we have 1 2 3 already. Anyway, we shouldn't be in this trade, and now we want to see what's the next and how we can look for next trade. Okay, first of all we start with the daily chart. As we can see, based on the daily chart, the price, we get the sharp move for this one, and the price couldn't break the previous stop. That's why you mentioned me this one can turn to a deeper correction. We can expect to get the bigger flat. That's why if we want to look for trade, we need to be quite careful because we don't know how deep the correction can be. Anyway, we move to forward chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. Based on forward chart, still we're looking at this correction. We prefer this one if this one turns to a deeper correction. Maybe we can relate to this one. Okay, but anyway, any buy from here, we will be more interested because still we can consider the market is bull. And if we move to 1 hour chart right now, we don't have any trade set up. How we can look at this? Still, we can expect this one to give us a flat. If we get any flat in relative to this, we can confirm for the next down move. That means if we get any up move from here, it couldn't break this top, then we can look at this flat. The next down move can give us a trade. Or if this one turn to a corrective move, deeper correction. Okay, that means still we can look for the price to drop. But how about if the reversal? Right now we cannot confirm any reversal unless we see the breakout of this correction continuation. And right now having entry above this can is not a really good option to look for. I won't suggest it. As we mentioned, simply the price can tag without the breakout, give us one more drop. Okay. Can we get any trade set up within this? Based on lower time frame, if anyone get the buy within this, they can trade it, but they have to manage it if the price couldn't break the top. Okay. That's why right now we cannot look for any trade. The only thing is we want to see what we will get here. Okay. In this case, we don't have any trade setup. We just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.